21 best business ideas you can start from home in 2022. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Marinyana Mkheti, the founder of Online Lesotho .news.blog. In this video, you are going to learn about the 20 business ideas you can start from home and make money. People are struggling to make money from home, but if you have a business plan and you are ready for a challenge, this video is for you. Now let's get rolling with this video. The first business plan or business idea you can come up with is a nail business. The second one, catering business. Number 3, cleaning service. Number 4, car wash. Number 5, blogging. Number 6, event planning. Number 7, baking and distributing roadside snacks. Number 8, graphic design. Number 9, fish farming. 10, social media management. 11, clothes and wares. 12, freelancing. Number 13, snail farming. 14, animal feed production. Number 15, tutoring. Number 16, fashion design. Number 17, foodstuff retail. Number 18, that would be computer training center. Number 19, vegetable farming. Number 20, and the last one in this list, hair and beauty services. These are the business ideas you must start in 2022 if you are interested in starting your own business. So my dear friend, if you want full details about each and every business idea in this list, you need to go to my website Online Lesotho.news.blog and search business ideas. Then you will see my article appearing, and you will start reading it, and you will just be confident enough to comment below and tell me which business idea you are going to choose. Until next time, bye.